You step into a sunlit courtyard market in the coastal town of Solaine, Iveria, and your eyes freeze on the steaming clay pot of Lumina Stew. In this mild Mediterranean-like climate, fresh sea breezes carry the scent of citrus trees and spice stalls. The Iverian people, known for their deep respect for land and sea, gather here each morning. They trade Silverleaf Seaweed and emerald green kelp that shimmers like morning dew, and fireberries, tiny red fruits that glow softly under moonlight. Farmers say the volcanic soil of Mount Arion gives these berries a gentle heat that tingles on your tongue. I sit alone at a low wooden table in Chef Maya's open-air kitchen. Shelves behind her are stacked with jars of pickled olives, jars of bright turmeric root, and wheels of creamy goat cheese from the highland goats that roam Iveria's hills. She gently rinses the Silverleaf Seaweed, noting its soft silky texture, then layers it into a heavy pot. Next come slices of sweet skyfish, a translucent bluefish caught at dawn, and small handfuls of rice grown along the river banks, where daily rains keep the fields lush. Chef Naya adds chopped onions, crushed garlic, and a dash of turmeric oil. The stew simmers over sandalwood coal, releasing a warm, earthy scent. At the last moment, she drops in crushed fireberries and crumbled goat cheese. The berries melt into tiny pools of heat, while the cheese forms silky threads that swirl through the broth. I taste my first spoonful. The texture is smooth yet playful. Tender rice grains, soft seaweed that almost melts, and gentle flakes of skyfish that burst with ocean flavor. The fireberries spark a gentle warmth that wakes your senses without burning your lips. A hint of turmeric adds a golden glow and a mild, peppery earthiness. It feels like a hug from the sea, warmed by sun and soil. Legend has it that Lumina Stew was born centuries ago when a traveling monk mixed mountain goat cheese with seaweed to comfort fishermen during a storm. Over generations, Iverian families added local ingredients: fireberries from volcanic slopes, skyfish from deep ocean currents, and turmeric traded along old caravan routes to build a dish that reflects the island's harmony of earth. Even though we'll be waiting twice I could talk about, you will be locals gather in small taverns called lighthouses, named for the lanterns that glows like fireberries in the dusk. They share stories of ancient sea beasts and hidden mountain springs, passing bowls of stew from hand to hand. Outside Solaine, small boats bring fresh skyfish to coastal ports, while farmers carry baskets of fireberries inland by donkey cart. In winter, Silverleaf Seaweed is sun-dried on rooftops, then traded in spice markets across nearby lands. As I finish the last bite, the flavors linger: sweet sea salt, watery fire, soft cheese silk, and a whisper of spice. The simple, honest warmth of Iverian hospitality comes through in every drop. Trust me, if you ever find yourself in Solaine at dawn, follow your nose to Chef Naya's kitchen. One spoonful of Lumina Stew will carry you straight to the heart of Iveria's sun, sea, and song.